How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, let us get started. First of all, make sure your app is updated. Head over to Play Store and search for Snapchat. In case you see update sign here, update your app. Now again, let's go to our settings. Scroll below to apps. Then search for Snapchat. Head over to storage and clear the cache. Now go back, and if it's still not working for you, then go ahead and reinstall your application after uninstalling it. Another way you could do it is open your Chrome and at the top search bar type in Snapchat support. Tap on Snapchat support. Here tap on contact us. Tap on I found a bug and tap on yes. Tap on profiles and communities. Scroll below, tap on my profile. Scroll all the way below and just tap on to yes. Now once you get onto this portal, all you have to do is enter your username, email, and fill out all these details. At the description, enter your issue. Once done, tap on submit. And all you have to do is wait for their email and you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up soon.